Welcome to the Install VGS tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial will show you how to download and install VGS onto a Windows device.
To ensure VGS will work properly on your device, before you download and install VGS, all Windows updates must be current. To check on the status of any updates that may be needed, navigate to the settings window of your device. Select Update and Security, then check for updates. Make sure your device is connected to the internet before you check for updates. You may need to restart and shut down your device several times to confirm that all updates have been installed.
To download the current VGS build, go to the VGS website at vgs.arizona.edu. Click Downloads. Under General Downloads, select VGS Software. Click on the current build link, then select Download. Depending on your internet speed, it can take several minutes to download the install package.
VGS is downloaded as a zipped file. Once the build download is complete, select the folder, unzip, and then open the .exe file. Select Yes when prompted to allow VGS to make changes to your device. Follow the remaining prompts in the Install Mate window. Then select Install. After the install process is complete, select Finish to close the Install Mate. VGS is now installed on your device.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS dev team at vgs@cals.arizona.edu.